Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing? This is Miss V. If you're interested to see how I reorganized my craft closet without spending any money, stay tuned. Miss V here. How's everybody doing today? If you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing this face, please hit that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen. And if you enjoy saving money in any aspect of your life, this is the channel for you. This is the channel for you because Miss V is all about saving money. I'm presently on a debt-free journey. We're using the Dave Ramsey debt snowball, and I have a 30-day update at the end of every month on my channel. Miss V, we use coupons when we shop. We shop the clearance rack. We revamp items that we may have gotten for free or found on the side of the road. Yes, we do all that here. We do all that here. We're not above doing anything to save some money. So if you're interested in saving money, why don't you stick around? But this video is in collaboration with the beautiful Lizzy over at Lizzy's house and Dominique over at Dom Anderson's channel. And what they have challenged us to do, which is right up my alley, is redecorate or revamp a space or a room in your house without spending any money. Now, when they say no spend, that means, of course, you've spent money to use the items that you already have. What they're saying is do not spend any additional money. And I thought it was great, all the different ideas that Lizzy gave you in the open invitation. So one idea she gave was for you to sell some of your unused items, take that money and use that money to revamp an area. I thought that was great. Also, she gave the idea of you swapping some items with friends or family. You know, say like if it's a coffee table I don't want and I swap it for a bookshelf my sister don't want. That's a great idea. We're not spending any additional money. So this was right on my brand because I'm focused on saving money and telling your money where to go. So in this video, without further ado, I'm going to be revamping my craft closet, reorganizing it with items that I already have in my home. So if there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. This is my craft closet in its present state. So that's the top shelf. And these are the Dollar Tree plate racks that I use to hold my vinyl for my Cricut machine. And that's another plate rack. That one came from TJ Maxx. It was $4.99. And this one also came from TJ Maxx to hold my tool and my wrapping paper. So this is the present state. I'm going to take all of this out of here. Well, most of it out of here. And I have some more baskets I want to use up there that I already had that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I'll let you see me declutter these items and I'll be back. Pins that I'm going to be using. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree about 3 or 4 months ago. Disclaimer, I actually purchased these as a gift for my niece as part of her housewarming gift, but I never made it to her housewarming, so I'm going to go ahead and use these since I already have them on hand. So I have 4 of them, so I think I'm going to keep these baskets here. I'm going to go ahead and keep these. Also, I got these from the Dollar Tree. They come in blue, and I spray paint them black. These, I'm going to keep these, and I'll just add those 4 to the So I'm going to take everything down, and then I'll put labels on that also. So I'm going to take all these games down. I have to find a new home for them. Got a checkers game, and a chess. So I'm going to speed this up. Oh, there we go. mean, I got too much stuff in this closet. I revamped craft closet, so I put all my vinyl right here. I got my iron-on vinyl, the first 3 rows, and this is the regular vinyl. Then I put all my contact paper over here. Remember, it was up there in one of those bins, but I put it over here. That way I have access to contact paper, vinyl, wrapping paper, and tool. Then I left it like it was. I just changed this one container that has all my brushes in there, crafting, and I added this one for all my Dollar Tree flowers. Got my adult games here. Then I got all my extra ribbon, and then I just organized this area a little neater. That's my filing cabinet with all my important papers, and these are just some easels. 2 easels I got from Michael's. Me and my husband were supposed to do the paint and sip series, but we still may do that. Let me turn that over. My mail. Drop my mail down. I'm trying to expose any information, and it's just miscellaneous mail, and these are all my canvases for my paint and sip. This was my vision board for 2017 that I did. I just hold on to that. And this is a cute, one of those 2 cute shelves that I got from Big Lots for $24.99. I put all my board games down there, and these are just boxes of items that I have here. So that's it. This is my revamped, no cost, no spend craft closet. I want to thank Lizzy and Dominique for hosting this challenge. I'm always looking forward to doing these type of challenges where you don't have to spend any money, because that's what my channel focuses on. So I'll have both of these ladies' channels in the description box. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save some money. Thank you, and have a nice day.